17 Pro Max, yeah. Huh. Yeah, huh.
In my hand, I have the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Behind me is China, and let me tell you how I got this phone. But there's something weird about it.
If you are looking for iPhone accessories, let that be a case for the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, then check out bestiphoneaccessories.com. It's the place where you find all the best iPhone accessories.
So welcome guys, welcome to Shenzhen, the capital city of technology. Here you have the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's awesome, but there is something weird with it. But the most important thing we need to talk about is how did I get this phone? How is it possible that it is September 3 and I already have the phone in my hand at this moment? So the cool thing is, I am in Shenzhen. Shenzhen is a city in China. It has about 27 million people and is the capital of technology. This is where all the iPhones are made. This is where all the accessories, all the high-tech goods, everything that is technology is made in this city. All of the iPhones are made here. The big factory called Foxconn is in Shenzhen. That's why, in ahead of time, they kind of know everything about all the new technologies that are arriving. Okay, but still, a new iPhone, an iPhone 17 Pro Max, about a week before. How is that even possible? How can they have it so early?
This is how it looks from close up. You turn it on. See the new camera system. We're gonna dive deep into how this looks in a moment.
But how is this possible? How is China able to do this before it even comes out? How do they have the information? Well, the thing is, I'm in Huaishangbei. It's the technological area and accessory market for the world. Basically, if you order anything on Amazon that is technology, that is accessories, you order anything on Temu, Wish, AliExpress, it comes from here, from this area. And the factories for iPhones are here. And Apple and another company does their own accessories, right? So, in ahead of time, they need to know the sizes for the iPhones, the factories that are producing Apple's own original cases. Now, these factories sell the price of information. So all of these shops, all of these factories that are located here pay very, very heavy amounts of money to know the exact details of the new iPhones so they can start producing the cases well ahead of time. And this year it was especially ahead of time because we already knew 3-4 months ahead of how the new 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro and Pro Max are going to look like. So knowing all this information is not really hard to go into any of these shops around here and ask, do you have the new iPhone? And the answer is, yeah, we do. But there is a caveat. What that caveat is, I'm gonna go up there to my hotel room, unbox the phone for you, and show you everything about this iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Here we are. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see, liquid glass, new camera bump, new cutout with the glass. Apple logo is not repositioned. You still have the action button and you still have the power button and camera control. Now, what is unique about this phone? Well, let me show you. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max over here. And when you put them side by side, you immediately notice something. The chin of this phone is huge. I mean, if you know, you know. This is a fake iPhone 17 Pro Max, a clone, not real. But here in China, they are already so confident about the new design that they started making fake phones with this design. It's crazy. It's running a version of Android. So if I open up the phone, I go to settings and I go to about, you can see it's showing version iOS 18, but I guarantee you iPhone 17 will not come with iOS 18. It's gonna come with iOS 26, just like they are trying to mimic over here. You see all of the icons here. You see if you go into photos, you see the new style. If you go into camera, you see the new style over here too. They're actually doing a pretty good copy. So, you know, it's something. But careful, do not get scammed. Do not get scammed with a phone like this, because they are all over the internet probably, and you could get scammed. The only thing that this phone is correct in is probably the dimensions of the phone, nothing else. Camera control sucks. You cannot really do anything with it. As you see, I'm trying to zoom, tap, zoom. It's not really working. If I want to use MagSafe, it doesn't have MagSafe. It is just a fake iPhone, but it's pretty catchy. So if you show this to someone right now, it's gonna be like, wow, the new iPhone.
17 Pro Max, yeah. Huh. Yeah, huh.
Yeah, it's not. Do not get fooled on the internet, because this phone is a scam. And the cameras are fake too. There's only one real camera in here. The other ones are dummy. This and this are dummy cameras. This is real. The LiDAR doesn't work. Apart from that, I mean, if I accidentally opened FaceTime, you can log into anything. I mean, I cannot even log in over here, so FaceTime is fake. But if you go to settings, and in settings, you go to app account, which is Apple account, I'm just gonna log in with anything. Steve at apple.com, and the password was Joe. Next, boom, I'm logged into Steve Jobs' account. It's fake, it's crazy, do not get fooled. The dynamic island is there, but apparently it's gonna be smaller in the real version. So the only thing this is good for is to see the dimensions of the yet unreleased product. We shall see. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Until the next video, stay safe and hang loose. And also, if you would like to know more about this phone, or you want to see a comparison between this and the real iPhone 17 Pro Max, then stick around. September 16, 17, that video is going to be coming out, and we can show you all the latest and greatest features of the real iPhone 17 Pro Max, not just this fake, because, yeah, watch out. Do not buy any iPhone 17 Pro Max or 17 Air right now, because it is not real at all.